Are you tired of handling countless customer service inquiries every day? Do you wish you had an army of customer service reps that never get tired or frustrated? Well, it's time to welcome AI-powered customer service into your business. Today, we'll show you how to improve your customer service using the power of AI, and it is not all about chatbots. Imagine you're a business owner and you receive an influx of customer inquiries on a busy day. Your team is overwhelmed and the phone is ringing off the hook. You desperately need an extra pair of hands, but you can't afford to hire more staff. What do you do? Before we continue, don't forget to like, share, follow, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips. This is where Anybot comes into play. With Anybot, you can create a customized AI-powered bot that can handle any customer inquiry, no matter how complex. You can personalize your bot's personality and responses to match your brand voice, making it seem like a real human is answering your customers' inquiries. Anybot is powered by OpenAI's GPT-3 technology, ensuring your customers receive accurate and helpful responses every time. But what about when your bot encounters an issue it can't handle? As I said earlier, it is not all about chatbots. That's where Aide comes in. Aide uses AI to identify common issues and suggest solutions for fast responses and happy users. It visualizes issues for you and provides models that improve over time, so your bot gets smarter the more it's used. Cohere is the perfect tool for you if you need more advanced support. With Cohere, you can see and control your users' screens with zero setups. This means you can resolve issues faster than ever before, protect and grow revenue, and make customers fall in love with your product. Cohere allows your support team to guide customers through the troubleshooting process quickly and efficiently, improving customer satisfaction. For those looking for a complete chatbot solution, BotDistrikt has got you covered. BotDistrikt provides a complete chatbot solution for your business, including easy integration with your existing platforms. With BotDistrikt, you can create chatbots that can handle any inquiry and provide personalized responses to your customers, ensuring a positive experience every time. But what about when your customers need clarification on industry jargon? That's where Puzzle comes in. Puzzle is an AI-powered glossary for your community and customers, bringing clarity to your product, service, and community with a superpowered glossary. With Puzzle, your customers can quickly and easily understand the terms and concepts related to your business, making for a smoother experience. Here are 6 amazing AI tools that can help you improve your customer service and make your customers fall in love with your product. From Anybot to Cohere.ai, these tools can help you resolve customer issues faster, provide personalized responses, and improve your overall customer service. If you want to learn more about how to achieve more using AI, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Till next time. Thanks for watching.